Hope Uzodimma. I don't know whether to call you Abuja man. I want to talk about the truth behind the Lagos meeting. Hope, we know where you are going, and we always answer you anytime you talk about Igbo. Now, all over Nigeria, the Igbo people are everywhere. In Lagos, in Kano, in Sokoto, in Maiduguri. And the Igbo people build, they trade, and we also live in peace. But are we truly part of Nigeria? That is my question. You know, for those who have not seen the video, here is that video.
The whole idea is to bring our people together, to unite our people, to create better political awareness, so that our people can live in line with the dictates of current realities in the country. We have Igbo population huge in Lagos, in Kano, in Sokoto, in Maiduguri, name it. So, and we will do our best to visit these cities where we have a large chunk of Igbo settlements to speak to the issue of a united Nigeria.
Some Igbo leaders say the gathering was coming at the right time.
As a member of the committee, we realized where that disconnect was coming from, and we're able to connect it back, and peace is being restored. Because we are one people. Apart from politics, we marry together. We are friends. Like I used to say, money does not have tribal mark.
We are increasing commerce. We are bettering the economy. We are keeping people engaged. So it is important that the indigents and the settlers find a way to coexist peacefully, because we need each other to progress.
The Igbos in Lagos say they have invested in the unity of Nigeria.
Few days ago, Hope Uzodimma, governor of Imo State, and also the chairman of APC governors, spoke to journalists after meeting in Lagos. He said he wants to bring Igbos together to promote unity, to encourage peace. But many Igbos are asking, whose peace? Is it he wants to make peace for himself, or whose peace and whose unity is he talking about? Now, in the so-called meeting he had, it was only politicians and traditional rulers. We did not see the market leaders. We did not see Igbo youths. Where were the mothers who cry every day for their missing children? Where are they? Were they in the meeting? Uzodimma said he wants unity. But unity without justice is not peace. Uzodimma, Imo State. Uzodimma did not talk about the killings in the East. He did not talk about the Biafra movement. What are we going to do about it? He did not talk about the marginalization of Igbo people. The fact is that we all know the truth. Governor Hope Uzodimma is not doing this for the Igbo people. He is doing it for politics. We are aware 2027 is around the corner. He wants to present himself good in front of federal government, because it's like federal government appoints people who represent offices now. Election does not hold. So Hope Uzodimma is trying to silence the voice of freedom. He wants to stop Biafra spirit by using sweet words. I'm talking about the true pursuit of Biafra, sincere pursuit. The way Nigeria is, I am feeling Biafra will solve the problem. If we cannot have our place in Nigeria, our proper place. Yes. So Hope Uzodimma, I want you to know that Igbo youths are not blind. We know what is happening. We see the roads in the east. We see how broken they are. We see the commissioning you people are doing. Commission here and there, but no good roads. We see the states of our airports. Igbo people are aware there are no seaports, no jobs. All we see around us in Igbo land every time is soldiers. Oh, soldiers everywhere. Checkpoints. But we don't see development trying to shock us. We want developments to shock us in an Igbo. But what is shocking us is checkpoints and soldiers. This is why some of us are asking for Biafra. Not because we hated Nigeria, but because Nigeria hated us. Nigeria is maltreating us. Because the so-called country, in the so-called country Nigeria, we don't have a say. Now, we don't know who is sending you, Hope Uzodimma, whether you send yourself or they send you to talk peace, to tell Igbos to be quiet, to visit Kano and Sokoto and tell our brothers there to vote APC. I don't know who is. Tell the person say you don't see us. Our people are suffering and you are talking politics. Even the so-called vote, does it count? And where is P2B if the vote counts? You know, this is not time for silence. This is not the time for fake unity. Those are your politicians' unity, fake unity that you want. You know, can you imagine? You are beginning to round up and the other day you are begging for apology. You are trying to unite people. Let me tell you, Hope Uzodimma, it is time to speak the truth. True leaders, our leaders, they have to speak for the people. Speak truly for the people. Do the right things. Stop speaking for Abuja. Our governors must protect our land, not sell our future for position. Enugu governor has to make sure Enugu is secured. Not just focus on his second term ambition. We know what is happening. Ebonyi governor. Focus on saving Igbo, not your second term ambition. We are not fools. And by the way, we are not against peace. We are not against other tribes in Nigeria. But we say, let there be justice. Let there be fairness. Wycliffe sang in his song, he said, we don't want no peace. We want equal right and justice. Let there be fairness. Let there be freedom to speak, to live, and to dream again. That is what we are asking. Stop deceiving us. They have sent you politicians, Tinubu house boys, Tinubu boys. It's about the time of election. First ask yourself, what has Tinubu done in Southeast? I saw Omahi the other day. He was telling our people that Tinubu has no project he needs to complete in Southeast because he did not start any project. And so he did not start any project. He will not finish any project. He will not do anything in Southeast. Lagos Calabar highway, about 750 kilometers. What is the essence? Some people will say we are anti-progress. But when I look at the commissioning of that thing, I know what is happening. First time, they say they have just done 30 kilometers. First time. A road that is about heading for 800 kilometers. First time, we just did only 30 kilometers. Who are we fooling? And Hope Uzodimma, towards the election now, they are using him. They are trying to run one-party states. They are using Hope Uzodimma to tell us they are peace. Because what they want is votes, not peace. Let's be sincere. Hope Uzodimma, go sit down for dirty. You know the right things to do. And you should have been doing it. At the time of the election, Igbo people will say, oh, we are seeing what is happening. Boy, Tinubu, don't be used. We are watching. We are not fools. Some of the times the people will not act because it's like we are clipped. But the people are not fools. Politicians misuse our money. Allocations for our state downloaded into pockets when it's election time. Yeah, Igbo, you should be peaceful, this and that. What do you call us? I'm getting angry. Let me just off this thing. Let me stop this thing because I'm getting angry. Viewers, please share this video widely. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Bye-bye for now.